And anybody can join your site either as a visitor where they don't do anything, they just see it, or as a free member where they have to opt in and they become a lead for you, or as a paid member. We will send you traffic for browsers, people that want to browse your site, for opt-ins, people that want to pay. We're going to send you that traffic. And you're going to be able to also be able to bump your listing if you want to be able to have advertising spots that directly. So we're creating, when you launch a course, for a very small fee, you can actually bump it and have it advertised, or you can just list it for free. Or you can also hide it, and you don't want anybody to know about your course. Hide it if you want. And so here's an example of a course that I've joined. Another community member, Carl, a friend of mine, he actually created a course, and created it yesterday, so it's probably not that crazy. But all I did, I'll just show you. This is just a basic course that he created. And I went and joined this course for free. See his logo, he's got his items up here, he's got banner, whatever, and he's got all these different syllabus type stuff. He created a basic course on some training, how to be able to do web apps, Android app training, and top secret stuff, whatever. And you can create the level which people need to have to be able to access it. It could be free, it could be paid, it could be opt-in only. And he created this, okay? And it's so cool how you do this. You can search for a word like training, and it's instant. All the search is instant. You can search a word like, let's say, leads, okay? And look at that. Everything leads. Everything with the word leads in it shows up. You can do a search like analytics, okay? And only the modules of the analytics show up. When you click on these modules, look at how beautiful this is. They come loading in just like this. Oh, and look at this. It looks like you watched part of this video before. Watch from the beginning. Or skip where you left off. Here we go. And there's the video. You can go previous, next. You can take notes. Oh, wow, this was awesome. You know, and I can save those notes. And I can go over here and I can save and mark this lesson complete if I want. There's all kinds of things that I can do. Okay, so I can just go and I can basically read this stuff, see what's presented by, everything you name, everything you can think of. And I can also go over here to my sites. Okay, I can go back. So in your sites, it's going to load the dashboard again. It'll take a minute because again, I maybe have over 100 already. But it's basically going to give you a breakdown of everything that you have access to on the right from the community sites, and everything on the left that you have access to that you're able to do. So first of all, a lot of you guys have been comparing membership sites. So first of all, no other membership site does what I'm showing you. Okay, we have our own full community where we're driving this kind of stuff. We have so many features that I'm going to show you that nobody else is doing. Okay, there are other membership site options, but there's none that are doing the level of what we're doing. It's going to be crazy. So it's very slick. It's a very clean user interface. It loads very fast, unless of course you're me and you basically go crazy. And it shows you stats. You're able to see your revenue, how many members you have. Don't mind these stats right here because we're loading my old Dark Post Profits course. We're loading it into here. So by this weekend, or if I have it all, maybe by Monday, I have it all loaded up. We just got the stats over there. Those are real stats. Like SmartMember, those are real stats right there. There's a real amount of members and real stats. Okay, so all these sites on the left, you can create new ones, or you can go visit these existing ones. So let's go visit like an existing site right now. Once you visit a dashboard of a site, it's going to take you where you last left off. Okay, but it'll be the dashboard for you when you first start. When you go into the dashboard, there'll be a bunch of training. This one is just kind of a temporary thing, but I'm doing a bunch of training modules. You have all the training you need in here. And here's what you do. You create access levels for your course. So you want to have free members, opt-in members, paid members, you name it. Then you actually create your course. Okay. Finance and members, this is where you're actually able to see all the transactions that people do for your course. Members is where you're able to see all your members, okay, and be able to give people passes to your course. Affiliates is where you're able to manage all your affiliates, marketers. Appearance, this is where you're able to design it. It's where you're able to add your own site logo, your menu navigation, build a JV page and a sales page, themes, you name it. Tracking, advertising, Facebook group integration, support. Support, you're able to build out like a knowledge base. Refund manager, when people want to possibly get a refund of your course, you're able to offer them a free bonus if they decide to stay on board. Okay, really cool. Custom pages, you can build really anything you want. Live casts, you can essentially hold your own webinars for your members. SEO settings, you can obviously change like the thumbnails, the titles, the descriptions, and stuff like that. So that's what you're able to do. So what I want to do is I want to just give you a basic tour, but the tutorial videos are going to break it all down. So I'm going to keep this tour very basic And I'm going to show you some of the features of why you want this service over the other services that are out there. And then we're going to spend the rest of the time answering questions and giving you ideas, money-making ideas and niche ideas, how to be able to research and find niches and be able to make money from tons of them. So remember, you can set up unlimited sites. So you can do this on any topic you can imagine. So let's go in real quick. Let's look at some basic stuff like appearance, site logo. It's just really as simple as this. Let me change the logo real quick right in front of you. So let me just go to let me just search logo on Google Images or something. Let me just throw in a random logo. Let's throw in Coca-Cola, okay? So there we go. You can just grab the actual link, like the .png or .j. If it's on the web somewhere, you can just grab the link, or you could right-click and save that image to your desktop, okay? So long as you do that, then what you can do right here is you just go site logo, choose image. You can either drop it in there, or you can paste it, just like that. Insert, and look at how simple that was, and save. It's the simplest system ever, you guys. Now look, now it's Coca-Cola up there, okay? You see how simple that is? That's what I'm talking about in terms of the ease of use, in terms of being able to do something. You've got the ease of use. So if you ever wanted to find something, let me just grab this one real quick. Copy image URL for that Smart Member logo. And look, oh, by the way, look at this. Site admin, public view. Site admin, public view. Look at how easy it is to toggle back and forth and see your changes, okay? So choose image. Let me just put that one in there. And let me go back. Now there's my Smart Member one. Okay, and then I go over here, public view, and I can see it, and it's fast, and it's slick. Okay, so that's the logo. Next, you have this top navigation. So let's go over to that. Let's go over here to menu navigation, appearance, and again, there's going to be tutorials, so I don't want to spend too much time here. But adding a new menu item is this simple. Add item. It drags it in there, and there's three things you can do. Add a new icon, give it a label, a title, and tell it where to go. So let's add a new icon here. Look at all these preset icons that you can use. There's just tons and tons of stuff. You can really kind of go through and kind of glance at these and get ideas for kind of cool stuff or whatever. Now this site is Smart Member, right? So maybe what I'll do is I'll do like, choose this star right here as an example. And then maybe what I'll do is I'll do example member sites. Okay, maybe I'll just do example member sites. Now, where can this go? Anywhere I want. I can just enter an item URL. Let's just have this go to Google. Okay, something that simple. There you go. And now you go over here and go to public view and check that out. It's right there. Example member sites, and literally it's that simple. I've just got it up there. Boom. It's very, very, very simple. Okay, hey, I've got like 4 messages from people saying, hey, Chris, can I buy it right now? So everybody, I guess, wants the link. They didn't remember. You can just go to smartmember.com, but I'm going to send it out to everybody. Right now, you can qualify. Right now, just to make sure everybody understands everything I'm showing you. Right now, you get unlimited. You get unlimited sites, unlimited traffic. You get unlimited members. You know, there's sites like ClickFunnels that charge for members and stuff like that you can max out. I don't do that. You get unlimited everything. Unlimited hosting, which means we'll host this completely for you. And then we're adding, like dozens of new features over the next 2 weeks. So you're going to get so much stuff, okay? So I'm just making sure everybody understands. You're also getting access to my bonuses, bridge pages. You're getting access to bridge pages and 2 tickets to July. All you do is go to smartmember.com and click the buy now button. It's basically that simple. You lock it up, and then it's going to be monthly fee for everybody else. You have no monthly fees. So let me just make sure that's clear. No monthly fees at all. Okay, you're buying lifetime access, everybody. Lifetime access. I just got to make sure everybody's clear about that. I'm basically wanting like a beta test group, and I don't think we're going to have much more than like 1,000 people on this. So that's the first 1,000 are going to be beta testers. And then what we're going to do from there is there's going to be a monthly continuity charge for every single person. It'll probably be over about $1,000 a year, maybe more. So people are going to be paying that amount because, there's other competitors like Kajabi and other sites like that are, hundreds of dollars per month, and they sell thousands and thousands and thousands of customers. So I think we've built something good. But I don't really care about selling as much. I want to really just teach and train and show you guys how to make money. To me, that's way better. So I go right here, example member sites. I linked that to Google. So that goes to Google, but of course I could always link that anywhere I want. Okay. So I can go and I can build pages, for example. I can go to custom pages. I can go build a page right there. And then if I built a page, it would show up here. Instead of custom URL, I could choose a page. okay? And then it would be able to choose, like I built a couple pages already, so it'd be like, I could just build like a blank page, and I could link it directly to that page, or I can link it to a lesson, directly to a lesson. So in my modules, I could have like member sites, I could link it directly to a lesson, a download center, you name it, okay? Really, really simple stuff, everybody. Okay, so then if I want to delete it, there you go, it's deleted. It's that simple, success. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Advertising, if you want to change that advertising banner, it's really as easy as you want. Let's just go like upgrade.